All right, what is up, guys? We're bringing back with another video today of the Challenger SRT8. Today we're gonna get the engine bay all cleaned up. We're gonna get the outside cleaned up, and we're just gonna have a really fun time doing it. We're gonna try to start it. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up the intro. So y'all, stay tuned. All right, guys. Trunk is popped. The trunk is actually very clean right now. We just gotta get out some of these leaves right here out of the way. We're gonna vacuum those real quickly. But other than that, everything looks clean. Down here, you should have your battery and your fuse box here. It comes with a little air pump and then just a little bit of storage area right here. So, all right, well, let's get to vacuuming. All right, guys, so we got it all vacuumed out. We're about to clean it with some Simple Green right here. Just get it all nice and shiny back up, and let's see how this thing looks when we get done. Alright, guys, so the hood actually comes with these fake carbon fiber little pinstripes, whatever you want to call them. They actually look really nice, so we gotta clean them up and get them going. Woo! We got a bunch of stuff up under here. So we got a bunch of leaves, hay, and whatever else is in this car. So we gotta see how many animals made this their home, and hopefully they didn't. That's what we're gonna hope for, because that makes it a lot less work. But before we do anything else, we're gonna check the oil real quick and see what kind of oil we're running right now. We're actually running pretty good. Oil's not that bad. It's a little dark, but it suffices for starting. Why don't I just have a freaking Boston accent like that? Alright, guys, so we're gonna get the vacuum cleaner. We're gonna get this engine bay all cleaned up and ready to go. Alright, guys, so we're gonna take this little plastic cover we got over here just to try to get more of it off. Goodness. That is a ton of leaves and a lot of other crap. So we're gonna get all that clean. All right, guys, here comes the other side. Other side's not that bad. I'm liking this side a lot better already. But there's you can look down here, there's just a bunch of grass and it's all under here. So we gotta get all that out of here. Go ahead. Alright, guys, we're gonna run to town real quick in the American Bullet real quick just to go get some parts, because there's no way a vacuum's gonna clean that whole thing. So we'll see y'all there. Alright, guys, so if you look here on the trunk, we have a bunch of things we need. This is just to blow some of the excess dirt and leaves out of there. Got more Simple Green, because you can never have too much Simple Green. Just some Seafoam for when we put in the gas tank, just to help clean out all the lines. Some aggravator brushes. Some aggravator brushes. A few more little 3-pack. This right here can be used on the suede, just to agitate all the dirt in the suede. Got a bunch of microfiber towels, because you're always gonna need those. Got some regular little shop towels, rags. And then we got some engine cleaner for some gunky engine. Alright guys, so we're headed to a parts house that's about 30 miles away to get, where'd it go? Oh no, we lost it. Never mind. To get this little piece right here. We're taking a chance on a fuel pump relay. So we're gonna hope and pray that works and we'll get this bad boy cranking. Alright guys, so we just went to the parts house, got a fuel relay is what we needed to hopefully start the car. Don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna plug it in, we're gonna find out. It works!
Are you freaking kidding me? That thing fired up that easy? Woo!
That's what I'm talking about.
It's running a little rough. We got some lights on inside it, but it's running.
Yeah, something hit my feet. Hey, don't rev it. Alright guys, so we got everything about done we could do today. It got a little dark on us. The belt has to be replaced, a little shattered. So we're gonna pick that up and tune in for the next video. This is gonna be it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below if you have any other mods that you want us to do to the car, any kind of information you want for the car, just leave in the comments below. Alright guys, so this has been Tread Rippers and we're gonna tear out of here.